Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the McDonald's McDouble. So this is like the cheapest burger and it looks the cheapest that you can get here in Canada. Now, it comes with 2 patties, cheese, bun, ketchup, mustard, pickles, and recon onions. And that's about it. It kind of sloppy thrown together here, but that's all right. And they also made my burger wrong. They randomly gave me mayo on it. I don't know. Unfortunately, when you go to McDonald's, sometimes they don't get the orders right, but that's okay. I'll wipe the mayo off. I'll give a review of this here. So, it has around 380 calories, I believe, in a McDouble, and not a whole lot of protein, but there is a little bit because there's beef in it. But you don't go to McDonald's getting McDouble looking for macronutrients. This is more so you got to work out or something, you want some extra calories, or you want to enjoy a meal. And it's cheap. This is the cheapest burger combo that you can get in Canada. It came to like $6.89 or something like that for the McDouble. Medium fries and a drink, Diet Coke, obviously. But yeah, it's fairly cheap. You get what you pay for, clearly. They didn't really make the burger right, but that's okay. So, I'm gonna get right into this here. This doesn't really look the best, but whatever, that's okay. I really like the seasoning. It's just salt and pepper on the burgers. I don't know, it tastes really good. Yeah, not too bad. I really like the McDouble because you get a lot of beef in it per bite. I did a review on Wendy's double burger, and it's got a little bit less going than this. This is a little cheaper too, I believe. So, super cool. Greasy fat food. And it's really cheap. That's why people get it. Like golden french fry, McDonald's french fries are pretty good. The fries are amazing, actually. I'll rephrase that. I want to give the burger one more bite and I'll give my review. Let you guys know what I think. For a cheap burger, it's pretty good. Yeah, so you don't buy a McDouble looking for the best burger in the world or anything that's even close to that. You buy it because it's only like $2 or something like that, and the meal's only $5.75, whatever it is. That's why you get it. You don't go into expecting a gourmet burger. It's fairly cheap, and that's what you're paying for. So I give the McDouble like a 8 out of 10. Like, it's solid for a cheap burger. I'm not comparing this to other really good burgers. This is just being compared to budget options because it is a budget option. So that's what it is. I wouldn't, if I were to compare this to like a real burger, it's probably get like a 2. So sticking within the means, I'd give that an 8 out of 10. The meal, again, for the quality and the price. Here in Canada, at least, we got good quality beef providers and all that kind of stuff. So you're not getting anything sketchy in this. Across the world, be a lot worse. No, I wouldn't say a lot worse. It's just not as up to the standard that it is in Canada. So yeah, McDouble, pretty cheap, gets the job done for a quick, easy meal. That's all you can really ask for. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. Let me know where you'd like to see me eat next, because I like doing these videos because I get to eat food and people like watching them. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.